Blowing balloons without an air pump is a very difficult task, especially when you have to do it alone. When you blow a balloon with your mouth, it creates pressure on your lungs, and it is a very painful process for your mouth, head, ears and eyes. If you don't have an air pump at home, then don't worry, you don't need to blow these balloons with your mouth. You can easily create an air pump at home using a simple plastic bottle. Yes, a plastic bottle. So watch the video till end to get to know about this simple life hack.
There is a birthday party and John has to decorate the room. He decided to blow balloons as there was no balloon pumps available at home. He took different colors of balloons and started to blow them. But after 2 to 3 attempts, he felt pain in head, eyes, cheeks and ears. As there were too many balloons left to blow, he started thinking of finding a simple way for blowing balloons. And then he got a solution for that. He took an empty plastic bottle and opened its cap. He made a rectangular shaped hole in the cap. Then he took a balloon and cut it in straight line. Now he put the cut piece of balloon on a rectangular cut shaped cap and stretched the balloon and taped it around. He picked the bottle up and made a hole in it. Now he placed the cap on the bottle and put a balloon on the neck of the bottle. He put his finger on the open hole of the bottle and pressed the bottle as a pump and then released the bottle by leaving hole by finger, which works as an air pump for balloons. The air in the bottle moves in the balloon by the cap when you press the bottle and hold the hole. Air moves in the balloon by the cap, but when it moves in the balloon, it traps in that area because of the balloon piece which is taped on the cap with a rectangular hole. Now he released the hole so the bottle can come back to its original shape and can be pumped again. The common mechanism that goes into an air pump is that a part of the air is pushed that creates a vacuum which fills up more air. The gas inside this balloon pushes outward in all directions. That push is called pressure. The pressure makes the rubber stretch, causing the balloon to inflate. In order to blow up a normal balloon, apparently you need 1 psi pressure to overcome the elastic forces of the balloon. That is, a normal balloon has a higher pressure inside it. The air trapped inside the balloon pushes out the open end, causing the balloon to move forward. The force of the air escaping is the action, the movement of the balloon forward is the reaction, predicted by the Newton's third law of motion.
We hope that you learned something new today. So if you don't have any air pump at your home, then you can make your own using this simple easy method. So do try this at home and let us know in the comment section down below that did this method work for you or not.
So for more interesting videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.